Hello everyone, welcome to IronHand Tech. Today we will explore some amazing recycling processes that you would never have thought of. Are you ready? Let's get started. PET, short for polyethylene terephthalate, is a thermoplastic polymer in the polyester family. It is one of the most common plastics in the world and is widely used in the food and beverage industry due to its transparency and ability to preserve liquids for a long time. You can see millions of plastic bottles coming to this factory. Here they are sorted by type and color and ready for the recycling process. The plastic bottles are fed into a crusher by conveyor belt to be crushed into small pieces. At this point, we have a mixture of PET plastic pieces and impurities such as corks and packaging. Interestingly, recycling plastic bottles also reduces water consumption, as new bottles require 6 times the amount of water to produce. The mixture then passes through a large tank where the lighter bottle caps and packaging float to the top, while the heavier PET plastic sinks to the bottom. This is the most common way to remove impurities and recover PET plastic. Since the cleaned PET flakes contain water, they need to be dried using a dryer. At this point, we have plastic flakes that are eligible for recycling. After packaging, to achieve the desired output quality, these plastic flakes are mixed with additives, colorants, and ground into powder to serve the next process. This is the plastic pelletizing machine. When the molten plastic filaments come out of the mold, they are passed through the pelletizing cutter. The cutter in the machine will rotate and cut these plastic filaments into short pieces of uniform length, usually 2 4mm forming plastic pellets. PET plastic is fed into the extruder. Here, at a temperature of 240 degrees C to 280 degrees C, the plastic pellets are melted in the cylinder thanks to the heating belts located around the cylinder and the friction when the screw rotates. The screw moves the material from one end of the machine to the other, while creating pressure and friction to melt the plastic pellets. Extrude them through a mold. The mold has a structure similar to the shape of the water pipe we want to create. And as the plastic flows through, it will take the shape of the mold. After being extruded through the mold, the hot plastic pipe will be cooled quickly. The cooling process helps ensure the durability and quality of the water pipe, helping them withstand great pressure and be durable over time. The plastic pipe is then cut into lengths suitable for use requirements. And this is the product of this process, large-sized water pipes ready to be used. Isn't it interesting? Now let's move on to a new factory, where old cardboard boxes are given a new life. Cardboard boxes are considered an environmentally friendly product. However, they are made from wood harvested from industrial tree-growing areas, and like many other materials, they need to be processed after use. After being sorted, the cardboard boxes are fed into a shredder, basically a giant blender. Here they are chewed up by blades. The fibers in the paper are broken down in the process and become suspended in water to form a slurry. After being crushed, they are fed into a filtering system to remove impurities. This system includes a screening system, a centrifugal filter system. As a result, we have pulp that is eligible for recycling. At the forming machine, the cleaned pulp is spread out to dry on a flat conveyor belt and a hot cylindrical surface. As the pulp dries, the excess water is also pressed out. This process effectively forms long rolls of solid sheets from the fibers. These sheets are pressed through rollers. At this point, the thickness of the paper is determined, which will be between 100 and 210 GSM. This process produces large rolls of brown paper with a width of 2.5 min, which can weigh up to 10 tons. These sheets will be used to produce many other useful products, such as paper boxes, toilet paper, tissue paper, helping us save resources and protect the environment. In this factory, we can see a lot of old car bumpers. What will they be recycled into? Let's find out right away. First, of course, these bumpers are cut into short pieces for the convenience of the crushing process. You can see thousands of old bumpers in this factory. After being cut short, they are put into the crushing machine. Look at these men. What are their lungs made of? What extraordinary strength can help them work in this environment? Car bumpers are usually made from PVC, which is a durable, corrosion-resistant, and easy-to-work plastic. The crushed bumpers are fed into a mixer, where they are mixed with heat stabilizers, antioxidants, and possibly hardeners. The pieces are then fed into a furnace, where they are melted. Can you smell the plastic when you watch this scene? The melted plastic is extruded through a screen. Immediately, they go to the granulator. In the granulator, the melted plastic is extruded into long fibers. They are cooled immediately and fed into the cutting machine. The blades rotate evenly and cut them into small particles. These small plastic pellets are now ready for the final stage. The pellets are fed into the extruder, where they are melted again, and after passing through the screw, they are pushed into a tubular die. They now have the desired shape of the pipe. The finished pipe is cooled immediately to harden and rolled into large rolls, ready for use. Great, we have just discovered together the top 3 interesting recycling processes that you cannot expect. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section below. If you want us to make a video about any process, let us know, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting videos. Now goodbye, and see you in the next videos.